Today I created a Magepunk Operator, because it's confirmed that it's coming and so many of you wanted to see it. Oh wait, only one guy actually wanted to see it. And all of the others wanted to see Valorant 2.0. Okay guys, I swear I'm going to make Valorant 2.0 at some point.
Thyros.exe.
I started this project by accidentally bending my HDMI cable in the middle of the night, while rewatching Game of Thrones, aka procrastinating from actually starting. Don't ask me how I bent it, but after I found a new HDMI cable, I could finally start watching Game of Thrones again. At first, I created the basic shape of the operator, and then started refining the scope. The scope was really inspired by the Marshall skin. After the scope was done, I focused on the rest of the body. I added tubes and a lever. The lever was a placeholder that came straight from my Magepunk Phantom. Check it out. From that, I also copied the glass vials. In one of them, I added electricity arcs. In the other, I added Roman numerals that could maybe function as a stat track feature like in CSGO, or a calendar that shows the date. I don't know what I would prefer, so write your ideas what it could be used for in the comments below. And so you know, I have this idea from the Bucky skin, so it's already in the game. Then I filled the empty space with a sextant. It's a mechanical device that was used for navigation in the past. So I thought it would fit the operator well, because it has a small scope itself. Then I finally added the numbers to the stat track calendar thingy. The lever also got some love, and I remade it to fit the operator more. The scope soon followed and got the final touch of detail. Like this. Now, the only part missing was the gun stock. At first I wanted to combine the body and the stock with the circular thingy, but I decided against it because it didn't look that good in my opinion. So I joined them like this. And that's already the whole operator, if you can believe it. So, if you enjoyed it so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. But don't leave yet. The best part is to come, the animation. I really enjoy animating Magepunk skins, because a lot of parts are moving and I don't know, it has a really cool feeling. So, I don't want to keep you waiting any longer, and here's the animation.